what are you doing?
I'm killing flies.
Okay, so yeah, I'm not feeling the hat. Definitely not feeling the fly swatter. So
Well, you could get a hat like this too. We could do it together.
that's definitely not happening.
All right, then we're going to have to find another solution to this problem.
I'm game. Let's go.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Shannon and Karen with Wandering Out Yonder. And all kidding aside, we don't need these anymore. And the reason we do not need these anymore is because we have a really cool new magnetic fly screen that was given to us by a company called
Living in a Bubble.
Now, they make these fly screens for all different size vans, SUVs. They make them for the back opening, the big back openings, the side doors that come open on the side, and then the passenger and the driver's side windows. They make them a variety of sizes that might fit your van or SUV. You'd have to go to the website to check for yourself, but we thought it was a pretty cool company. It's a small business, which we are always about supporting small businesses. And because this is a magnetic screen, right up our alley. As many of you know, Shannon and I did not do the typical van build out. We utilize the metal in the van magnetically for so many things. If you can see, everything we pretty much have in there is magnetic. So when they told us about these fly screens and we saw that they were magnetic, we were ecstatic. Anyway, we're going to show you how these things work today. Yeah, the case is pretty cool. And also the thing that we want to talk about with the size of this net and the case is how easy it will store in the van. As many of you know, van space is
Important space.
yeah, it's a premium. I mean, everything that we have in the van has earned a spot. It means that we will use it. It's not taking up a lot of room, and this fits the bill for that as well.
Wow, it's nice and thick.
Okay, so let's take a look at that.
Yeah, it's nice and thick.
Yeah, look at that.
Fabric.
Yeah, look at that. Look
Okay.
at that mesh.
The zipper. So I'm going to assume that this is the top.
All right, so Shannon's going to put it in place. Show you how simple this design is, how convenient, quick.
Right up my alley.
Yes, that is something absolutely for us too. If something is real time consuming, we tend to not want to do it. Look at how quick that was. How long did that take you? I bet that didn't even take 20 seconds. Right, so you can see Shannon placed it on the outside edges.
Right. Right above the gasket.
Right.
So.
And then you can see the
and
door,
it just
the frames here.
Right.
Yeah.
So.
But if you wanted to shut the doors, you would have to just kind of rearrange it a little bit. Shannon, show them what we're talking about.
Yeah, so
that way, if you wanted to utilize it.
Right, if you put it back behind where the doors touch.
Right.
And then on the inside.
Yep.
And again, it kind of just grabs itself.
Right. And it goes in place.
Right.
All right.
So rather than take it up and take it down each time you move.
Yeah, you could just do this, right? Kind of place it inside and then show them how the doors will shut without damaging the screen.
Right.
All right, and there you go. The other feature with this is that what we wanted to show you is with the privacy. With that screen up, you have a lot more privacy
Than without
through that window than without it. So yeah, that's another big bonus to having this screen. So you could actually leave this up all the time if you wanted to. Okay, so we have the screen in place, and again, this is a polyester no tear fabric. Fantastic. 1 millimeter. No see-ums, no flies, resists all of that. Has a zipper that runs down the center that you can utilize different ways. All right, so you can leave it unzipped or zip it up, and it also can be left open. Like if you didn't feel like you needed to have the screen completely sealed up, you can just kind of put it up like that. There you go. And there you go. And that would create a little bit of privacy for you right there too. Like if you wanted to keep the doors open and you weren't too concerned about the bugs. So there you go. All right, guys, so we showed you how quickly this magnetic fly screen goes up. This is a no fixed installation. So in other words, you don't need screwdrivers or any of that kind of stuff. The fabric is fantastic. 1 millimeter holes, keeps out all kinds of bugs, even the no-see-um bugs. And it doesn't damage anything on your surface. Like this is just magnetic, so you're not drilling holes or doing anything to your van that you wouldn't want to do in order to get this thing up and down. The other thing we want to talk about is improving ventilation. Like there are times when Shannon and I go camping that we like to keep the back doors open. It might be really hot or there might be a nice breeze coming through, and we want to enjoy that. So these will be fantastic for that we could keep these up, keep the bugs out, and let this door stay open. There's nights that we sleep with the van doors open, so this will be fantastic for that. So it will improve the ventilation in the van for us, which is always an issue with any van situation. You always want to make sure you have good ventilation. This can be left in place with the doors open or closed, and we showed you both ways that you could put it on here to make this work with the doors open or the doors closed. And we also showed you the privacy that it will provide for you when it's up. It does add some added privacy for you. I mean, we have the windows that are open back here. You can see through them. They have like a tint on them, but this all adds a little bit more privacy for us. So we're kind of thrilled with that aspect as well. And then the other thing I want to talk about is that it can be opened from inside or outside. So if we're in the van, we need to unzip or zip, we can, or outside of the van, we can do the same thing. So that's pretty cool for us.
It is a win-win-win setup.
Win-win-win-win.
Yeah. I mean, we are super tickled.
Right. I think they're fantastic. The ease of them,
the quality
of them, the space issue of storing it,
absolutely.
The ease of up and down. It will not take you forever to install or uninstall this, so you're not going, I don't want to spend an hour putting this thing up or taking it down, so I'm not going to do it. You will do it because it only takes 20-30 seconds.
Let's show them.
All right, so we are going to show you guys how quickly this will come down.
All right, so we're going to take it down. You ready?
That took about 2 seconds. Yes. So you're looking at, I mean, no time at all. And such a cool product. Easily folded up and put back in the mesh bag that they provide for you. So yeah, super cool. So we've kind of folded it up. I kind of got it. You can see the size of the bag. So it should be pretty easy to get back in the bag.
So this will be Karen's job.
Yeah, Shannon's not real good at folding.
I'm not good at folding.
No, she's not. So nothing.
I'll be the putter-upper and the taker-downer, and you can be the folder-upper.
That sounds good to me. So see there?
Yep.
How easy is that? 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
So I would say, start to finish, you're talking minutes here. Opening it up, putting it up, even taking it down, you might add another minute to your pack up time. Not even that much.
Yep.
And look how conveniently that's stored. So again, thanks to living in a bubble. We love it.
Yeah, we absolutely will be adding this to the permanent van setup.
Yeah, it has a home in our van now. Thank you.
All right, so thanks to living in a bubble, I will no longer have to deal with this. We are happy campers.
Thank you, living in a bubble.